Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, the second part.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. F of x is equal to the integral from 2 to x cubed of 1 over t cubed dt, and we need to find f prime of x. So let's use our formula, f prime of x. F prime of x is equal to the d over dx, the derivative, of the integral of 2x to the third 1 over t cubed dt. Okay? Well, from here we need to first really just find the integral here. So keep my f prime of x here, prime of x, big prime, equals d over dx of, well, what's the integral of 1 over t cubed? Well, that comes out to be a negative 1 over 2x squared. And we're integrating this from 2 to x to the third power. Okay? Let's continue this up here. We have f prime of x now is equal to d over dx. And what we want to do is plug in first x cubed. Oh, that's a t, right? Right? We need to keep this in terms of t because that was the derivative. We're plugging x cubed in for t. Don't forget that, Sean. Oh, I messed up my notes too. Great. That's why. So we plug x cubed in for t. So we have negative 1 over 2 times an x cubed minus, when we plug 2 in, a negative 1 over 2 times 2 squared. Okay? Simplify this out. F prime of x is equal to d over dx. Okay? Just this part is not too bad. We have, squared. See, I'm gonna mess that up. It's 1 over 2x cubed to the second power. That's why we're simplifying this. So this becomes a negative 1 over 2 times x to the sixth power plus, and this whole thing 1 over 2 times 2 squared is a 1 over 8. But it doesn't matter. That constant will cancel out in a second. So f prime of x here now, we're going to take the derivative here. The derivative of a negative 1 over 2x to the sixth power is a positive 6 over 2 x to the seventh, and the derivative of 1 over 8 is just 0. Don't need that. Well, this simplifies to be f prime of x is equal to, simplify 6 over 2 to be 3, so we have 3 over x to the seventh power, and that's it. Our final answer here for f prime of x is a 3 over x to the seventh power. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.